we'll be adding another material for the inner part. Alright, this will be the outer. This is the outer part. So this for the inner part. So remember, I'll have to go back to here and then we switch to edit mode to select. Alright, so go back to our, now we apply we are applying a different color on this particular material, on the inner material. So go to this section and then we'll enter our value. Our value is E69A5E. Alright, so that is our value for the inner part. Then once we have that, we do assign. Alright, assign. Should be able to have our inner part to go with that. So I don't know why it's not coming up. So, but let's see. Inner part select. Come over here. Right. So it should work. Alright. So we have this. So save as we go on. Keep saving because we never tell. Alright. Looking at this now, we have something already. We have our calabash. Right. This is basically what our calabash is like, if I'm not mistaken. If it's very good at calabash is like. So you can also go on to apply, like I said, details on this. You can apply details on this. If you are using a computer that does not have up to at least 2 gig GPU, please don't attempt the other section because it might actually put stress on your machine and you wouldn't like that. So just go ahead and stop here. This is quite presentable, but then for the essence of details we have to go further. So now all we need to do now is to switch down to shading. Now this is where I get things done, like add more details and all of that. Taking down, okay, currently I won't have to take down anything here. So what I will do is I will quickly add my noise. Noise texture. Right, so I add my noise texture. I'll plug in my noise texture to my roughness. Right. Then I'll plug in the color, the surface color, subsurface color. Right. So the next is I'll quickly come over here and add my mist shader. Let's say add shader. Come here and add shader. Then I'll quickly add my magic texture. Add my magic texture. I'll plug it into my scale. Alright, so I'll do the fact to scale. Then I'll add my bumps. I'll plug it into normal. Then I'll add my my color ramp. I'll plug it into the color to height. Now select all and shift it by the side and drag it. Okay, hold down G and shift it by the side. Alright, so I'll add another noise. Add mapping. So that's been what we'll have for this. So I'll quickly change this to white. I'll zoom in. Alright, my system is going to get slow. Right, so I'll shoot this up to white. So I'll quickly change my values. I'll place the scale to 8. I'll do 6.1 here, and I'll do 2.3 here. I'll do, so let's see what it looks like from the layout. Ensure that all values are right. So ensure you go through this each and every one of them and get the figures right. The figures, the options, as it is here, do the same and you get the same result. Right, connect them properly and you get the same result. Right, so you have this to be our end result. But you can always go back and manipulate some figures like this, like the roughness here. You can say, okay, I need it to be like this, I need it to be like that. You know, you always manipulate stuff just to arrive at what you need. My layout, okay, imagine, so I can try to go back to where I was. That one was quite better. Alright, so let's see. We're having something nice. It's not at least close. So that's for the inner part. So for the outer part, we're gonna do the same thing, same connection, and then we're done. Alright, so for the outer part, we are having the same. We're going to do the same connection, but then I think we're going to be adding more materials. Okay, so quickly add our noise, same noise texture, plug it into the factor, the surface color, then the color to our roughness, just like we did the other time. Then the next we add our mouse groove, connect it all the way. Mouse groove all the way to the spec. specular. Then we have add our bump. Our bump will connect our bump from the normal to the vector on noise. Then we add color round. Mind you, there are other ways you can go around this, but this is my own way how I was able to arrive at my own um, my own way. Maybe harder, maybe simple to other approach also. So we connect our alpha all the way down to this alpha. Right, so we have that. Then the next is we add another color up. Then add it to the transmission. Then the next is add what they call an image texture. Yeah, added an image texture basically. Well, let's see if we can do without the image texture. Alright, let's see if we can do without the image texture. We can achieve something outside the image texture. Alright, so quickly let's go with the image texture for now. So without the image texture, we're having this. This looks quite nice. Alright, looks nice. So let's go to our layout and see what we have. So this is without the image texture. And trust me, the image texture I added is just for the scratches. But then the scratches didn't come out when I added the image texture. Maybe I was not doing it rightly or so. But then I think if you're able to arrive at this very spot, congratulations. So this is what we have. So quickly you add our mesh, our base mesh. Then let's meet up to this and make our lights look more interesting. Alright, so this is basically what we have for our Calabash, and I hope this video helps someone somewhere, because as it is, we're able to use textures in Blender to achieve this. Imagine if you have to download textures. Trust me, you get much realistic results. I believe that so well. Yes, but this is just basically from Blender. With all the textures we applied were just from Blender. We didn't bother importing textures from the outside. Alright, so if you are viewing from the top elevation, we'll have something like this. We'll see you on the next tutorial.